Keysight digital multimeters offer long-term stability, multiple connectivity options, and powerful software integration to meet a wide range of needs, from basic lab measurements to high-throughput metrology-grade testing. Keysight's portfolio of DMMs, Essential, Advanced, and Pro, provide low-noise measurements for metrology, R&D, and high-precision testing. And long-term measurement stability minimizes the need for frequent recalibration, proven in mission-critical industries like aerospace, defense, and semiconductor manufacturing. Keysight DMMs are built for reliable, rugged performance. A suite of analysis and measurement features like digitizing, trend charting, built-in math functions, and enhanced triggering help identify issues quickly. And they easily integrate into test systems and lab benches with a variety of connection and control options, including USB, Ethernet, GPIB, and Skippy control. Choose from our lineup of Essential, Advanced, and Pro digital multimeters to find the one that is right for you. Keysight Essential DMMs are full-featured entry-level models ideal for teaching labs and basic bench setups. Keysight Advanced DMMs are a versatile tool for validation and debug, offering increased precision and speed and delivering reliable data at a high throughput. Keysight Pro DMMs are engineered to provide metrology-grade performance for calibration and high-end R&D applications. Keysight DMMs offer high precision, long-term stability, proven reliability and durability, a suite of measurement features like charting and built-in math functions, and global support and calibration services to minimize downtime. Learn more at keysight.com/find/multimeters.